Yeah, the man. That's just no motherfuckers. Nah, we coming out.
Okay, y'all, so we're at this restaurant. I should have been recording a little bit earlier, but it is. What y'all know about this? Nothing. Guys, we're starting out the vlog late, but we're here. Don't really care about nobody. Yo, they thought I was down for the night. They thought I was giving up. But a bitch here though. With you. Can we get to the right part? This emotion party you cannot get in. Don Julio, I don't drink gin. Okay, next song. That's the only part we like. Okay, guys. So we just got to the event. Well, I don't know what the fuck is going on actually. We're at something. Now let me show y'all what the fuck happening tonight. We just behind the DJ booth. I'm gonna take y'all up there. How do you feel with having the Randy experience?
10 out of 10. We got free shit. Oh,
okay, y'all, it's currently 3 in the morning. I just got home. My flight is at 6. It's really at 8, but I need to be at the airport at 6. So I'm gonna take a quick nap and I'll catch y'all when I wake back up to be at the airport. Ah, bitch is exhausted. Okay, y'all, it is 6:13 in the morning. I'm on the way home. I'm actually exhausted. Should I have went out last night? No, not at all. However, I'm gonna go into this lounge and I'm gonna go enjoy some food. Hopefully I can get through security pretty quickly. My flight leaves at 8 a.m. so we're gonna go through some shit today. I'm gonna be knocked out for the rest of the day once I get home, actually. First of all, let me just say this is the longest I had to wait to get through the fucking airport. It took me 30 minutes. I'm hungry as fuck. And they taking forever and I'm confused. A bad bitch got things to do, things to see. Hopefully they have some good food here with a good view. Okay, I'll catch y'all when I get in the lounge. Okay, y'all, so of course I want mimosa, scrambled eggs, potatoes, and some pancakes. I'm actually super tired, but you Tito. I cannot wait to go to sleep on this fucking plane.
Good morning, welcome aboard.
Okay, y'all, we're going to Real Tacos. Get what? Go. Okay, guys, we're going to Real Tacos. Okay, guys, so Real Tacos was packed the fuck out. So we're going to the Cheesecake Factory. And it is what it is. We finna turn the fuck up. Yeah, so fucking much.
I like cheesecake.
Oh, can we get an Oreo cheesecake?
You can.
Oh.
I'm not gonna lie.
You think I'm big?
Cheesecake.
Oh.
Like regular cheesecake, like I have to have something.
I took a mango passion fruit cheesecake, and it's good actually. Yeah.
What's it like?
I be geeked and I be enjoying it, and it's so quiet. Where all my scaring at? Oh, I bought a Goyard bag. I'm a Goyard mommy now.
You are?
Guys, so we're at the cheesecake. We're geeked. Okay, you loud now. She's gonna expose us. I really want to do this strawberry infused margarita and a shot on the side.
Oh, you're feeling froggy?
Okay, you don't know what you want. Can we get a bottle of wine?
No.
That was worth a try, y'all. I'm a classy bitch.
We can get a shot.
First class, up in the sky. I'm actually feeling great, y'all. Can you focus? You're trying to get post on Instagram. Can you focus on your cocktail?
I'm done. That was so quick.
Wait, send me the picture you just took of me.
I didn't take a picture of you.
Why wouldn't you?
I'm scared.
Why you were just laughing at me?
No.
You think I'm a joke? You think I'm a clown? You think I'm a clown? A muck in Cheesecake Factory. Yeah. We got our drinks. just got here. How do you feel? Okay, let's do a taste test, y'all.
Okay.
Mind you, tea getting real as fuck. And I'm talking about, let me pull out this camera real quick. That shows how much I care about y'all. Gotta get that lemon squeeze in it. I want to. It's hot as fuck. Okay, toodles, y'all. I like drinking with Zoe because Zoe likes to drink. I like drinking with Zoe because she gets it down. Hold on, let's
Zoe
go ahead and lock
doesn't like to
in.
drink.
Okay, let's lock in. Ready? 8,
I don't know how to chug though.
8, 8, 7. 5. Oh,
Can't chug.
you
Can
lost.
I do halfway?
Yeah, do halfway. I like drinking with Zoe because Zoe is my mate. I like drinking with Zoe because she gets it down. Well, you sipping it and I'm singing the song.
But I can't chug. I don't know how to.
Okay, y'all, so our food finally came out. I got the Louisiana chicken. Zoe, what did you
Can I
get?
taste yours?
Huh?
Can I taste yours?
Girl, you already tasted mine. You
I
already
tasted
liked it.
yours?
Yeah.
That?
Oh, you meant my food. Okay. Yeah, you can have to taste my food.
See what it tastes like. I want some chicken. Tell me a piece of chicken.
Here, this one's okay. Delicious. 10 out of 10. Delicioso. She's talking about, hi guys. Ma'am, you're in the sidewalk.
Hey everybody. We're leaving Cheesecake Factory. What the fuck is that?
Ooh, you got a boot?
Bitch, a boot. World Cups. Oh.
We need to go to the World Cup.
They can't be doing that, baby, because
Let's find us a foreign man.
I don't even think I'm recording him for real. Get this shit off my car. What the fuck is wrong with niggas?
Guys, I'm so irritated that I'm not tore up.
And mind you, he took this shit outside. Get the fuck in the car.
But I'm like,
Why Justice not trying to back into the parking spot? She don't know how to drive.
first of all,
Ooh, you finna hit
no,
the car.
cause no, I'm about to park right here. Fuck. Like, damn, let a bitch be fucking great. Hey, dude.
First of all.
I'm so mad right now. They really just tried to take that spot. Like, bitch, you just rolled up in here. I'm backing up to the... Fuck.
Skirt, ho.